Ngayon na lumalabas na 2023, it's actually came out some natural look. It has that beautiful color. Welcome back to my channel, guys. New vlog, new lipsticks that we're going to try it. Marami siyang mga bago, guys. Ngayon na lumalabas na 2023, I wanted to do a vlog for natural lipstick that you guys can wear everywhere or anytime, like you want to just wear but you don't want to be something like you have so much lipstick. So this video, guys, is gonna be one of the lipsticks that's one of my favorite, that's actually you can get in any of drugstore, any of beauty store that close to your house. So this one, I review this one about last year, but it's a different colors. I think they have more like a darker color that I reviewed last time. So this one is actually came out some natural look. This is the new color, guys, for the Maybelline. As you guys can see, everything are natural color. They do have more color of this one, I believe, but this is the one that's available right now in Ulta. When I was in Target, like I mentioned in my other video, they do have new beauty product in there now, but they don't have a lot of Maybelline. Unlike the one in Ulta, they have a lot of selection of Maybelline. So I got this one from there the other day, and I'm really excited to try it with you guys. So I picked one darker color. They do have another one of this, but it's like really dark. I don't know, it's not really me, so I don't want to get something like, I might say something not very nice for me or for everyone that's love dark color. So this is the one I picked. We're going to start in a lighter color. So I'm going to start with 120 color. The name is Punchy. So that's the color. It's like really brown colors, beautiful color, guys. So this one, guys, it is actually nice, especially if your hair is actually up, because it does get dry faster. Same thing the first one that I tried long time ago. So this one, definitely I love the color, and I love how it's not too brown, it's not too pink or something, it's in between. It's really nice, especially if you have a dark skin color or you have tan color of your skin. So this one is perfect. So the next color, it is 125, and the name of Ken. It's more like in between that we try the first one. You see how it's more like a orangey looking. It's the same thing. Everything of this one, it's beautiful. It does set well as well for this color on me. I like it. It's just that a little bit orangey for me, but at the same time, I think I can work on this one with a different look of me sometimes. It's still really nice. Not my to-go, but it's something that I will try for like to wear next some event. So the third color, guys, is gonna be the 100, and it's Charm. This one, it's a little bit lighter than the second one. See? That's a beautiful color. So it is in between the first, the second, and this one is the third one. Like a lot lighter than what I tried it already. As you guys can see, it's really pretty. So this color, guys, is gonna be like the everyday Irene lipstick, because it has that beautiful color that you guys can wear every day, anywhere, or just to be, you know, hanging out in the house or something like that, because it has that natural look on the lips. So this one is gonna be my to go every day. So it has that beautiful color that's it actually blend on my makeup, my skin tones. So ayan, guys, nakatatlo na tayo. Try natin yun, tatlo. So we have 3 left to try it. So the fourth color we're gonna try is the 95 Captivated. This one is the very light color that I think most of light skin, they love this one, because one of my friends actually loved this color. She's the one that texted me. She said, try that one, try that one. So I had to try it. And so this is the color, guys, for our fourth one. So how you guys can see, it's super light. It's more like I don't have lipstick on my lips. It is really blend on my skin tone, and also it's because it's super brown. I mean, most that I know, they actually love this one. I think this is one of their #1 best-selling lipstick, this color. So I can see that now why is this #1 best-selling, is because it's just looking so natural on your lips. So the next color is gonna be 110, and this one is more like a pink. This one is actually one of my favorite colors that I always try. It's really nice. As you guys can see, why did I love this color from the first video that I took last year. So this one is gonna be my to go as well. The last color we're gonna try is a darker color. This is a dark brown color. It is 135 and the name is Fearless. See, it's a very dark, but that's okay because sometimes there's gonna be some event or a mood to wear a dark color, but you don't want to be in a black color, right? So this one is perfect because it's like brown one. This one is the darkest one. I almost kind of like scared to pick this one because, as you guys know about being watching on my YouTube, I don't really like the dark color, but I said, why not, you know, gotta try it, because this color is not that scary for me to try it. I'm just gonna try, but I don't think I'm going to wear this one outside because it's not really me. But I'm sure there's some people that actually love this color. It does set really well as well too on my lips. It actually dries really fast. It's just not really for me to wear it every day, so something like that. If you're not scared on wearing on a dark, so hey, just check this out. So all the color, guys, that we try is this is the one. So if you guys, it's my favorite one over here, that's gonna be on this color. So guys, we try all of this one. So this color is actually the one that I can wear sometimes but not every day, and this color is gonna be my everyday lipsticks. That's the one. The color that I tried today, or I try in this video, so they do have more color of this one again in Ulta. So if you want to check it out with different color of this, there's available in there, so check it out. So what I'm going to wear on my end video, of course, is my favorite one, the #110. So that's the color, guys, I'm going to wear for today. So thank you guys again for watching my video, and hopefully I see you guys again for my next video. And again, there's gonna be a weekly video that I'm gonna release it. So thank you guys again. Bye. I'm gonna